So in this problem, they're asking us to graph the inverse of a function given its graph. Just remember that the inverse function is going to have a reflection across the y equals x axis. So if I were to graph a line, let me just do a line. So maybe from here, oh, that's not a good line. Let's try again. So maybe a straight line. Let's try that. So it has to be a reflection over the y equals x axis. So this would be the y equals x axis. So how do we find some points? So the first thing that we may want to do is, I usually like to pick a couple of points. So if I look at this point right here, this point is 3, 5. Let's pick another point. This point over here is, I'm sorry, this point over here was actually 4, 5. Let's try it again. So this is 4, 5. Then I picked another point, and let's say this is 3, 0. Another point might be this one. So this point is 0, -4. And another point, let's pick this one over here, which looks like it's -6. -5. So these points are on our original function, function f. So if we look at the inverse function right here, we say that we must have some points that are 5, 4, 0, 3, -4, 0, and -5, comma, -6. Just remember that when you have inverse functions, the domain of the original function will become the range of the inverse function, and the range of the original function will become the domain of the inverse function. So now let's plot the new points that we have, and let's choose red as our color. So 5, 4, 5, 4, that's that point right here. We have 0, 3, so we have 0, 3. We also have -4, 0, -4, 0. And then we have -5, 6, -5, -6. Okay, so just connect the points. So we have, just see if I can make it into a straight line. So we'll connect these 2 points like that. And we just graphed the inverse function of the function that was given in this graph.